Hey TikTok friends, it is Dolunay and welcome to Filmora Masterclass. Today we are diving deep into the world of video advertising. If you think just having a creative shoot and high quality video is enough to get views and sales, it is time to think again. As smart marketers, we need to focus on what truly matters, understanding our viewers' real needs. In this session, we are kicking off Filmora Masterclass aimed at creating compelling short video ads that really speak to your audience and boost your product's value. Whether your target audience is individual consumers or business clients, I have practical tips that will transform your approach. And for those of you targeting businesses wondering about the difference between B2B and B2C ad production, stay tuned and make sure to follow us. So take a coffee, let's open Filmora and dive into creating ads that do more than just look good, they work. We are starting on how to market products effectively on TikTok. Remember, clarity is key, especially on a platform where every second counts. It is essential to highlight your product's main selling points concisely. Aim to focus on just 1 to 2 key features to keep your message clear and easy for your audience to grasp. Now, let's crack the code on grabbing your audience's attention in very first 3 to 5 seconds of your video. I have got 6 killer tips to share with you, but hey, this is all about collaboration. If you have other ideas or disagree with my points, don't hold back, jump into the comments and let's chat about it. Your insights make us all better. Tip number 1, power of conflict. Now let's talk about using conflict to captivate your audiences right from the start. Conflict doesn't just mean arguments or fights. It can also be unexpected things like getting a surprise splash of water or a comedic mishap with a hammer. These moments can really spike emotions and make your viewers stick around out of sheer curiosity. Example time. To draw viewers into this promotion, a Chinese shop owner crafted an interesting start to his TikTok video. Imagine this, a street scene with a robbery and a car accident, all captured in a mobile phone style that pulls you into the action. As the story unfolds, it leads back to his shop and making the promotion not just informative but incredibly engaging. Check out how he did it here.
Best handmade dumpling in London, Fingal Cottage, 37 Stratton Ground. Best handmade dumpling in London, 37 Stratton Ground, open 10 to 10.
Tip number 2, striking visual effects. Next up, let's talk visuals. In the first few seconds, your video should pop up with bright colors, dynamic graphics, or some really surprising visual effects. This is your chance to make a viewer stop scrolling and watch your content. Example time. Check out this video where they kick things off with a vividly colored scene shot from multiple angles. It is absolutely captivating. Let's say we have a VR game. We want to show our game with a cool transition effect, but it probably cost us thousands of dollars to hire a visual effects designer. Instead, here is a quick Filmora hack. I head over to Filmora and click on templates. A few minutes in and bam, I find the perfect template. Let's drag and drop it into our project. Next, I hit click to replace material, then expand template to tweak each element just right. First, let's watch it. As you can see, I can put my VR game in here. I delete all the unnecessary scenes and put my video instead. And I copy and paste the same transition effect and let's watch it again. Mind-blowing, right? Tip number 3. Introduce engaging music or sound effects. Let's turn up the volume on this next tip. Using instantly recognizable or catchy music along with impactful sound effects can grab your audience's attention in a heartbeat. Check out this case study. Take the flip the switch challenge that rocked TikTok. It uses Drake's non-stop right at the start, creating an instant highlight that pulls viewers in from the first note. Want to see what I mean? Take a look at these popular takes. Now let's make it easy to find and add that magic to your own videos. I open Filmora and click on audio. Navigate to music section and check out trending. Spend some time exploring until you find the perfect hack. Found it? Great. Simply drag and drop it onto your timeline. And just like that, you have set the stage for a viral hit. Tip number 4. Opening statements or questions. Let's talk about hooks. Starting your video with a direct and eye-catching opening statement or a question can really pull viewers in. It's about sparking that initial curiosity and getting them to stick around for more. Here is a real-life example. Ever seen a video that starts with something like this? Did you know your phone has these hidden features? This kind of opener not only grabs attention but also promises valuable information, making viewers eager to keep watching. Check out how it's done right here.
3 iPhone 15 tips I wish someone would have told me about sooner. Number 1, starting from your home screen, swipe down and hold down the clock app. It will instantly open a timer. All you have to do from there is hit start. This fun little life hack is both fast and efficient. Number 2, download Hit the Island.
Tip number 5. Demonstrate product effects or results. When it comes to products that show immediate results, nothing beats a quick demonstration. Especially for items like beauty or cleaning products, showing what they can do in a snap can really hook your audience. Check out this example. Skincare brands like The Ordinary excel at this. They often kick off their videos with a compelling before and after comparison. This visual proof isn't just convincing, it grabs attention right away. Want to see how effective it is? Take a look at these transformations.
Let's get real close and personal and get into this acne skin, which I've had my whole life. I started to use a new product, which is the Ordinary Acne Treatment Serum. I did a whole review of it.
My face before I started using the Ordinary HVB HA Peel. My face for weeks after.
Now, let me walk you through how to set up a similar side-by-side comparison using Filmora, so you can effectively showcase your product's impact. Here's how. I open Filmora and click on Templates. Navigate to Split Screen and choose a layout that fits your clips. Before and after video clips into the template slots and adjust the sizes to make sure both are clearly visible. And there you have it. Let's hit play and watch the immediate impact of your product in action. Tip number 6. Leverage popular trends or memes. For our last trick, let's tap into the viral world of trends and memes. Designing your video's opening with these elements not only makes it more engaging, but also boosts its shareability. Everyone loves a good meme. Real example alerts. Remember, when that shoes hit the fashion scene, brands like Adidas and Fila didn't just promote their shoes, they made their ads pop up on TikTok by embracing the trend with the style and humor. Check out these trendy takes. Let's dive into Filmora and add some meme to your videos. Follow these steps. I open Filmora and go to Stickers section. Scroll until you find the memes category. There is a whole treasure waiting for you. Choose a meme that fits your video theme and drag and drop it onto your footage. Adjust its size and position, and done. Your video is now not only trendy but also meme-tastic. Now that we have nailed the start, how do we keep viewers hooked through the middle? It's all about highlighting the practical benefits, those real-life advantages that make a product a must-have. Tip number 1. Focus on impact. Choose selling points that truly affect consumer decisions. Talk about the convenience, time-saving features, or cost-effectiveness of your product. Show, don't just tell, why your product is a game changer. Look at how Dyson does it. They have rolled out a series of TikTok videos for their cordless vacuum cleaners that are nothing short of compelling. Each clip demonstrates the vacuum's ability to handle different types of flooring with ease, showcasing the efficiency and convenience of the product. This isn't just a demo, it's a powerful statement on improving daily life.
Tried out the new Dyson Gen 5 Detect and Gen 5 Outsize. And this is why I love them. These are the most powerful cordless vacuums on the market because it's an upgraded version of Dyson's already incredible vacuums.
Tip 2. Use vivid visuals and examples. Keeping your audience engaged through the middle of your video also means bringing your product to life with vivid visuals and real-life examples. Showcasing the product in action not only illustrates its potential but also builds trust and desire. Take beauty products, for example. A quick before and after comparison can powerfully demonstrate the impact of the product. Fenty Beauty excels in this area with their transformative makeup videos. They show just how effectively their product works, making an instant visible difference.
It's my favorite from the very beginning. If you have on a good strong lipstick, it changes everything.
2, 1.
Tip 3. Incorporate emotional factors. As we move deeper into our video, remember that connecting emotionally with your audience can be a game changer. Utilizing storytelling techniques that tap into viewers' emotions makes your content memorable and impactful. Consider how products can not just fulfill a need but also enhance life quality or bring joy. A fantastic example is Petco. They post daily videos that capture the interactions between pets and their owners, facilitated by their range of products like toys and food. These videos do more than just display products. They tell stories of happiness and companionship. Tip number 4. Clear and simple language. Clarity is king, especially when it comes to explaining why someone should be interested in your product. Use simple, direct language that cuts through the noise, ensuring your message is accessible to everyone. Look at how Coca-Cola nails this on TikTok. They use brief, punchy slogans and straightforward language to communicate the refreshing qualities of their beverages. Check out this clip where they brilliantly convey the unique experience of tasting spicy Coca-Cola, all without saying a single word. Thanks for joining me in this Filmora masterclass on enhancing your TikTok ads. We have covered key strategies to make your ads pop, from the initial hook to emotional storytelling. Ready to take an action? Subscribe for more tips. Try Filmora and see the difference it makes. Leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.